Hello, my unboxing friends. My name is Christine. Welcome to my place. Today we're going to do an unboxing from Junque in Thy Trunk. They send it in a little mailer like this. I do get it every month. I chose just the earrings. They have 4 different boxes to choose from. So you can go as fancy as Swarovski crystals. Anyway, why do they make words so hard to say? And beauty products do the same thing. They put these really long words on there. It's like, I did not take Latin, people. Okay, so all in, I pay $11.34 for this one. That's with tax and shipping and everything. So let's see what she sent me. A little thank you on there. Her name is Tara. Oh, scissors. Nothing else in there. Here is her card. If you want to grab some of that info, thank you so much for the feedback. Feel free always to send feedback on your creations, and I will. Very nice. So here it is in a little teeny tiny little box that says enjoy. I have to admit, I wish there were more pieces in this box. And, I said that I like silver, or, white gold would be better, but, Oh, and she sent me gold. They're very cute, very fall-like. Some little sunflowers. Those are very nice. Though I did state I like silver. There those are. Well, Tara, thank you so much for sending me these cute little earrings. I appreciate it. Silver next time, though. I can't wink either. I can't say Swarovski. Crystals. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. I do hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.